everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this bracelet, pearl with oval, and I also have this color. The materials we need: pearl, round pearl 6 mm, oval pearl, and then I have the seaweed size 8 and seaweed size 11. I have 10 mm of this pearl. I'm gonna use this for charm, so you can use whatever you want. And I have a head pin, a clasp, jump ring, and we have this 2 bead spacers. I'm gonna just use it to my charm, just to add beauty to it. Then I have this 1-inch chain. This project I'm gonna use 2 needles. So let's begin. I already attached the jump ring to the clasp, and I already pick up 8 seed beads, size 11. And then I pick up size 8 seed bead, then cross. So this is how it looks like. Then I'm gonna tape it here so it won't move. So you can I'm gonna pick up 2 seed beads each of my thread, of my needle, 2, and then pick up the pearl, then seed bead, then drop it down. I mean the oval pearl, and this is the round pearl on my left. Then pick up also 1 number 11 seed bead, drop it down, then pick up size 8, then cross. Then on my right, I have to pick up 1 seed bead and round pearl and a seed bead. Then drop it down. On my left, pick up 1 seed bead size 11, then the oval and the pearl. Oh, and the so I pick up seed bead 11, oval, and seed bead 11. Then drop it down. Then I'm gonna pick up the size 8, then cross, then drop it down. So on my right, I'm gonna pick up 11, the oval, and 11. And on my left, 11, size 11, pearl, size 11, drop it down, and I'm gonna pick up size 8 and cross, then down, and then on my right I'm gonna pick up 11 pearl, 11 on my left, 11 oval, 11, then down, then I'm gonna pick up size 8 and cross, and drop it down. On my right, size 11 seed bead, the oval, and the 11, and then on my left, size 11, the round, and 11, and then pick up 8 and cross. Okay, on my right it's size 11, the round pearl, size 11, and then on my left is size 11 of seed bead, the oval, and 11, and then pick up the 8 and then cross. So you're going to do this until you reach your desired length. So I have one more line to get my the length that I want. So I'm gonna pick up 1 seed bead 11, the oval, and the pearl, and the seed bead 11. On my left, 11 pearl, and seed bead 11. So since this is my last line, I'm gonna get one more of the seed bead 11 in each thread. Then I'm gonna pick up size 8 and cross. So just set aside my my other needle. So from here I'm picking up 8, 11, 6, 7, and 8. Then I'm gonna attach my my chain. Then I'm gonna pass through the size 8 and then pass through the 8 seed beads 11 that I just added. And then I'm gonna pass through one more time to reinforce. Then I will pass through my 8 again. So I'll just set aside my needle. So what I'm going to do is the rest of this thread, I will just use it to go through all the beads, pass through all the beads to reinforce. So 11, 8, 11. Then we just turn, round 11, 8, 11. Then we just turn, and then we'll just do it, you know, until our thread is, you know, we just use this, we just use the leftover. So I'm gonna put the charm. So I'm gonna pick up the 8, size 8 seed bead, then the spacer, then the pearl, the, the bead spacer, and the size 8. So I'm going to, this is how I measure my 10 mm. This is 10 mm bead. So I'm gonna cut. So this is the wire. This wire is 10 mm. So I'm going to bend it 90 degree. So I bended it 90 degree. So I'm going to roll it towards me using my my nose flyer, round nose flyers. Until it reaches the other end. Okay, get my loop. Then I have my flat nose flyers. Then I can attach it to the bracelet. Hey guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. So this is it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everybody.